Hey guys, I'm over here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky, and finally, I mean finally, the day has come. The 2003 TJ Brute is finally restored, finished. Got an all new moss green metallic paint job, completely restored, frame off restoration. So we actually sent this off. I believe it was in INGE Dry Ice Blasting out here, a local company in Louisville, Kentucky, and they pulled the cab off and the bed, and they completely dry iced the whole underneath or frame of the vehicle, and also put a coating on it, so it's now cleaned up, rust free, 100% protected. I mean, man, this thing is awesome. We'll kind of start up here in the front and we'll kind of discuss some of the, I guess, upgrades that were performed on this thing. Obviously, the first one I've kind of mentioned is we got this beautiful metallic moss green paint job. Kind of give you a glimpse of it over here on the sun. Got KC headlights, worn winch, new worn fair lead. Looks like we got a Motobilt front steel bumper. Got Currie 44 axles. This one has also been re-geared, so now we're rocking 456 gears. Got a Fox steering damper, anti-rock sway bars. Now these are really, really rare. Kind of, I guess these were the Pentlers before the Pentlers were a thing. So these are AEV Bridgers, super rare wheel. 16-inch. Then we got the BFG, I believe what, KM3 tire setup, Fox shocks. We also got Teraflex, I believe adjustable front and rear control arms, Motobilt rock rails. I can't remember the name of this rear bumper, but we do have a steel rear bumper. Got the receiver hitch. There's your rear Currie 44 axle. And this thing is spotless, just like it just rolled off the factory line. We even got a brand new exhaust. I mean, check this frame out. Give you an up close on all of that. Up underneath, check that out. Super clean. Go ahead and open up one of these doors and let you have a look on the inside. Got your leather seats with the Brute stitched on the, well, I guess just below the headrest. I mean, really cool addition. You know, I want to say it looks like it's fiberglass. It looks like a fiberglass hardtop, and you got the little peek through side windows up top. Original dash. This does have the 4-liter inline 6 automatic transmission. I mean, this is every Jeep owner's dream of owning a AEV Brute. I mean, you can't even get these kits anymore. And by the way, I forgot to mention, this thing is for sale. It is available. You can check out our website, crossjeep.com. You can also give us a call anytime, you guys, 502-537-1738. I'll go ahead and, while I got you here, show you from the driver's side. Kind of see the odometer. I mean, this thing is fantastic. Let's see what the mileage is real quick while I got it, because I'm not 100% sure. I want to say it's low miles. I mean, for the year, 118,000 miles. That's pretty low mileage for a 2003. I mean, heck, I have a 2004 GMC Sierra 1500 that has 148,000 miles. So that kind of puts things in the perspective for you. But such a beautiful rig. Man, if you like Brutes or Jeeps or any AEV vehicle, you already know how rare of a truck this is. Other than that, you guys, it's going to kind of wrap up today's video. Appreciate you guys joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Heck, even hit that notification button so you can get notified of, you know, new Jeep content that we upload, I mean, almost daily. Also check us out on Facebook, Instagram. Heck, we even got a TikTok. So thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day.